Hey Joe, I've been trying to get in touch with you. You're not answering your phone. I'm assuming that you are working out with maybe Ty. I hope so. Um, you're going to be in a Toolbox Match, man. I've been in one of those matches before. That match probably shaved 5 to 10 years off of my career. And I understand that Ty's been in multiple, I think like 4. And that's great for Ty. But in that match, Ty's not going to be able to help you, Joe. I'm worried for you, to be quite honest. Those are scary matches. And I get it. You're no comparison, Joe Harrison. Well, there's no comparison to the damage that can be done to the human body in a match like that. Think about what you're doing. Get together some type of strategy with Ty. You're going to have to use your head, Joe. You were one of the best thinkers I had. Sometimes you would overthink things. You were there every day with people like Wheeler Yuta, Johnny Anthrax, Mason Miles. I'm just not sure any of you guys are ready or will ever be ready. Hell, is anybody ever ready for a Toolbox match? You don't know what's coming out of that thing. Joe, be careful. Be careful.